Hello everyone, this is Coach Assistant Coach Phatyl with the Attacks Gym in Njia Uhuru Kipora Street Warriors. Njia Uhuru is a Swahili term that means way of freedom. Kipora is the correct term for what was miscalled capoeira by Rafael Bluto in the year of 1712. Again, what this video about? Just continuing some of my personal hygiene stuff. Those of you who have sensitive nose like I am and don't really wear regular cologne because the alcohols and stuff like that kind of really affects your nose, this is a great, nice, soft scent. It's it's not too masculine, but it's also not very feminine, and it has a slight it's a peachy smell. And again, I get this one from Shades of Africa. You can find her online. I buy black as much and when possible, as much as possible, as often as possible. But I did a little bit of research. Also found that this peach oil also has some benefits I didn't even know about. Again, I read that it helps clean the skin. It helps with antioxidants. Um, Also, it can help reduce fat and cellulite for women's out there who might be thinking I have too much cellulite, or men. Try that out. Let me know if that works for you for those reasons. What else was I gonna say? I think that's all I want to comment on it now. But again, it's a way that I like to smell unique. It's a way I like to smell a little different. And it helps me be able to smell good when I'm going out or just want to smell a little better than normal. Because I can't and I don't wear colognes or Axe body sprays and things of that nature. Y'all already know what to do. Leave a comment, subscribe, check out our other social media pages. Let me know what you think about this one. You guys have a good day. Ashata Shana. Ashe.